If you want to give Google Chrome a fresh new look, today I'm going to show you how to use the Chrome UI refresh colors in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to customize your browser so it feels more personal, more polished, and easier on the eyes. Whether you want to match your wallpaper, use a preset theme, or pick a very specific color, Chrome makes it simple. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome. This is where Chrome's customization tools are easiest to access. On the new tab page, look down to the bottom right corner and find the Customize Chrome button. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear as a pencil icon or as a text label that says, Customize Chrome. Click that button, and you'll see a side panel open on the right side of your browser. This side panel is where all the magic happens. From here, you can change the look and feel of Chrome without installing extra extensions or making complicated changes. If your goal is to refresh the browser with a new color style, this is the place to do it. Now let's start with a custom background. In the side panel, click Change Theme. Chrome will give you a few options here. You can upload your own image, or you can choose one from Google's built-in collections. Once you select a background, Chrome will automatically detect the dominant colors in that image and apply a matching palette across the browser interface. That means your tabs, toolbar, and overall browser theme will all get a soft tint that matches your chosen image. This is one of the easiest ways to make your Chrome window feel more unique and visually consistent. If you don't want to use a background image, you can also choose from Chrome's preset color palettes. In the side panel, look under the Appearance section. You'll see a set of dual-tone color circles. These are designed themes that instantly change the browser UI with just one click. Simply click any of the color circles you like, and Chrome will immediately update the interface. This is a great option if you want a clean look without having to manually create a theme from scratch. If you want something more precise, Chrome also gives you the option to create a custom color. To do this, click the Custom Color Eyedropper icon inside the Color Circles area. Once you activate it, move the picker across the spectrum to choose a specific shade. This is especially useful if you want to match a brand color, a desktop theme, or just a very specific tone that you prefer. After selecting the exact shade, Chrome will apply it to the browser UI so your tabs and menus reflect that color choice. As you test different colors, take a moment to compare how they look with your background and overall setup. Some colors feel brighter and more energetic, while others are softer and better for long browsing sessions. The best part is that you can switch between them anytime, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find the look you like most. Once you're happy with your choice, simply close the side panel and enjoy your refreshed Chrome interface. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can transform the look of your browser using Chrome's UI refresh colors. Whether you prefer a custom image, a preset palette, or a fully custom shade. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.